We are METTLER Toledo. We measure. We analyze. We weigh. We test. We count. We quantify. We scale up. We service. We develop world-class precision instruments that deliver amazingly accurate and reliable data essential for life science research. We create these tools so you can advance, so you can develop renewable energy sources to power the world, so you can search for better and more sustainable nutrition, so you can explore new medicines to fight against disease and develop ways for us to flourish and live healthier. Let's advance together. For you, for us, for the world. Let's get to work. METTLER Toledo.